Okay, in this video, I'm going to be going over the collection 3 reading focus on pages 250 to 251 in the textbook. Making inferences, you're going to write T or F next to each statement to tell whether it is true or false. An inference is a kind of guess based on evidence in the story, and that would be true. Your inferences would be more accurate if you are not influenced by your own experiences. So because of that not, it would be false. 3, a writer will sometimes try to confuse you by providing clues that lead to incorrect inferences. That would be true. Writers sometimes want to surprise us. 4, you might make an inference about what motivates a character to act in a certain way. That is true. 5, making inferences is a skill to use during and after reading a story. That is true. 6, a good strategy is to make new inferences based on new evidence. That's true. When we learn new things, we want to make new inferences. 7, an inference can be stated as a question or a conclusion. No, not really. That would be false. And 8, making inferences is a skill that mainly helps you read faster by guessing about parts of the story that seem dull, and that is not why we make inferences, so that would be false. Analyzing how character affects plot. Think about the events and girls, then choose the word or words in parentheses that best completes each sentence. Underline them. A character's actions have the biggest impact on the plot, and you would find these responses back in the reading focus. You can guess how a story would be altered by a change in a character. So altered means change. If the character in girls had more confidence with girls, then the movie date would have been better. 12, the roundabout way that the narrator asks Elaine to the movies demonstrate that he worries she might reject him. And 13, if Elaine was a less patient girl, then the movie date would be a disaster. So it's less patient. So we get the impression she is patient, which makes it the date be less than of a disaster. 14, if Elaine had told everyone in school about the date, the narrator would likely felt embarrassed. Okay, so we get the sense it did not go well. So that's the response for the reading focus. Thanks for listening.